All right, let's review this Apple Watch stand here. So it comes out, it's just a little black sleek thing. And so you're supposed to put it like on your nightstand or your dresser. It has little rubber grippies here on the bottom. So it does grip on well, won't move around, which is nice. And here, so you can see it. So this back portion here kind of clicks up to whatever desired level you want. And then this part holds the watch here. So you set your watch here, it's magnetized so it goes and sticks to it pretty easily. And then you can set your watch right up on this little stand here. And if you want, you can wrap this behind and close it like that so that it's not taking up too much room and it sits on your bedside table like this. Let's make sure it all works perfectly. So you'll plug in your charger here. Okay, so the red light here means that it's charging and it'll be blue when it's done. So I just want to show you how it works. Let me get this on. So here you can see it is not charging, and then when I put it on here, it turns green, shows you that it's charging. So you just let it sit here on your bedside table and it will turn blue, this little dot. Also, one thing I like about this is it's not like a big bright light that's gonna irritate you while you're sleeping. I have a few other chargers that have a big bright light on them, and in the middle of the night, it kind of lights up too much, and I'm not a fan of that. So this is nice and small and doesn't take up a ton of room, easy, compact